Alright, so what is this strange little device and how does it work? It looks kind of like a UFO, right? Well, what it is, it's a pool ionizer, and it works by just floating in your pool kind of like a chlorinator. And it has a solar panel here that absorbs sun rays. What the sun rays do is they charge this piece of metal inside, this piece of copper. You can see mine's a little worn. It's got pits everywhere when it's worn down. It charges this piece of copper, and the combination of that charged copper and this piece of steel here around it create a chemical reaction that react in your pool to kill the algae. We don't have to get into the scientifics here of it, but that's what happens. So what you need to do is you put this thing back together. It has a mesh here, and you let it float. I give it about a week or so. Floats in my pool. I take it out every week and I check it. Because what happens, it develops a patina and the copper actually starts to wear away over time. So it does have to be replaced eventually. But what you do every week, it gets a little green. As you can see, there's green on the edge here. You put it under some cool water and you just wire brush all that green off. And then you put it back together, you put it in your pool, and it's going to keep your pool nice and clean. You're still going to need to use chlorine, but I'll tell you this. You're probably going to use about a third as much as you do now. That's my experience over the seasons I've been using it. There's a link below on Amazon to this exact one. It's the Suntouch Treasures. I highly recommend this one. Other ones I've heard don't work that well. This one works really good. It's about $120, but it'll save you not only money in your chlorine, it'll also save you the frustration of coming home from work. You forgot to put the chlorine in over the weekend, and now the kids are bugging you because the pool's green. You got to shock it, and it's going to be really chemically. It's going to burn their eyes. Nope, with this, you forget the chlorine sometimes. You're not going to have to worry. Your pool's going to be crystal clear. So for $120, I recommend it. Check the link below. I hope this video helps you, and I hope this is worthwhile for you. By the way, I have a 6,000 gallon above ground pool, and this one works fine. There's a large capacity one on the link also, so if your pool's a lot larger, you might want to try that. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a nice day.